King Gordon Ryan.
All right, so the long-awaited winner of the Jeep giveaway is going to be called right now. So the way that it works is we have the sweepstake company that's in New York, does all the legal stuff and everything, and they do like an anonymous raffle or like a computer-generated winner, and they pick the winner from that. And the winner had just put his email address, and I wanted to do a call so I could film it for you guys and actually film the call live. And so I had my guy email him and be like, hey, what's your phone number? And I just had a guy who won, I confirmed his email and his phone number. He messaged me on Instagram and he said, hey, I was just looking through my DMs, and he said, hey, an email from you, like from your website or whatever, messaged me asking for my phone number. Was it real or fake? And I was like, it was real. It's funny that it was just a random winner, but he had messaged me and I saw it on Instagram. And I got his phone number, so now we're gonna call him and tell him that he won a Jeep for Christmas. He's also a veteran, so that's great.
Hello?
Hey Greg, it's Gordon.
Wow, is it really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's crazy.
I had to try to get your phone number because I wanted to call you because you just won a Jeep for Christmas, buddy.
Did I really win it?
Yes.
I won that Jeep, Lila.
Yes, you did.
That's wild, dude.
Yeah, you got it. So we just finished in October, but then I was in New Mexico. The entries finish in October, but then I was in New Mexico with John Jones, so I haven't been able to like get it shipped and everything.
Wow.
But so yeah, I figured it'd be good before Christmas to let you guys know.
That is so crazy. So what needs to happen? Like, I just fly there and drive it back home? I'm in San Diego.
I can either ship it to you, or if you want to come down and if you just want to come down and drive it back, if you want to come down and train for a day or two, and then drive it back, whatever's easiest for you. I can either ship it to you, or you can come get it.
Well, the easiest is, of course, shipping. I would love to. Well, actually, you know what? When are we going to August? We're going to Austin next month, right? Or no, January 17th. For we're going to 3 days. My girlfriend has really good friends that live in Austin, so I want to be there.
We'll be in touch for next month.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yep. Goodbye.
Bye.
So there we have it. It was so funny. We had a randomly picked guy who also has like a YouTube channel and is like a veteran. So I mean, it worked out great. And again, I don't pick the winners at all. I go through I pay a sweepstake company like $8,000 for these to do this, all the legal work, all the contracts, and then they have like a computer pick the winners. So Greg won. Couldn't have gone to a better guy. It seems he's a U.S. Marine, and we gave him a little new Christmas present, brand new Jeep before Christmas. After he just got rid of his 4Runner, which is crazy.
Look at that. There it is.
Here we are, baby.
So clean.
Yeah. Just got it washed. I drove through a construction site, and now it's all dusty.
Kind of sad to see her go.
I know. I did a leg day, and I can't move. But we're gonna give away this Jeep to Greg, who flew in. I think they were actually coming here. We were gonna do it last month, but they were coming here this month, so he's like, I'll just meet you guys over there, and then we'll do like a little video, and I'm gonna ship it to him in California afterwards.
Hey. What's up? How are you?
Guy. Good to meet you, my man.
How's everything?
How are you?
Good.
I was just talking with John for a little bit. I was like, oh, it's you.
Oh yeah, he's in there.
Yeah.
He's
He told me he just got his car license. He's like, I don't
Oh,
know
yeah.
how to drive.
Yeah, he lived in New York this whole time, so he never had a license.
That's what he was saying.
So he moved here, and then we moved to Puerto Rico. He procrastinated for the whole time, never got one. Then he moved here, and he was taking Ubers, and I'm like, just get a license, dude. It's not that hard.
Yeah. What is it? Everybody wants to know what is the model, because people,
So it's 2023 Sport Wrangler.
Sport Wrangler.
It is the most base model you can get. Everything's manual, mirrors are manual, locks are manual. There's not much to break. It's like you're driving an 80s car base. Halogen lights, everything.
Awesome.
So I got the ARB bumper on the front. With this winch was actually supposed to go on my Tacoma, and I never ended up putting it on there before I sold it. So this is a 12,000 pound winch, so it's like a way overkill for this little tiny Jeep.
Yeah.
But it has the KC lights, which aren't super bright because they're halogen. I wanted everything halogen matching, but they do a little bit. Color matched D-rings, everything is color matched, like the shifter knob is color matched, the D-rings in the back are color matched, like color matched the fenders, you couldn't get this model with color matched fenders, so I paid it was like $4,000 to color match the fenders.
Wow.
Full skid plates underneath, all aluminum. I didn't go steel because I didn't off-road it that much, but it's full skid plates.
Does this have the 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder?
This is the V6 3.6.
3.6
kind of star,
V6.
yeah.
Wow.
These are the same size, same height tires as the stock ones. They're just a little bit wider, so they have that profile that sticks out just a little bit past. And they're I think these are I think they're all-terrains. All-terrains with like the old school circle rims. It has the factory rock rails because they're good enough for what I was doing. In the back, we have a bumper delete, color matched D-rings, everything back here. The extra gas can. This actually didn't come with, this bumper delete didn't come with the trailer hitch, so I added the trailer hitch on there as well.
Nice.
I plasti dipped Max Tracks to match the green. And I have back seats that I have to throw in there as well.
Okay.
Little table in the back here. If you go camping or want to eat, it has the little fold-out table.
Super convenient.
Coming around here, this I added, the gas cap.
Oh, because it's just normally open,
It's
right?
just normally open. It looks
Yeah.
terrible. I don't know why they don't do it.
Yeah, I know.
Jeep actually stands for just enough essential parts. That's what the Jeep meaning is. And then under here, you just unlatch these, and this folds back, and you just have a complete open air everything.
Simple.
So I color match, what are the color matching here? So I color match this was red, I color match that, dark green.
Oh, the lift it to go to reverse?
Yeah, there's a custom head unit, there's Alpine stereo because the stock Jeep stereos are terrible. So it has the Alpine stereo so you can actually hear stuff with the roof off when you're going 80 miles an hour. And then, the diff breathers are relocated. The diff breathers are usually about here, so if you go water over the tires, you'll get water in the differentials. So the diff breathers are relocated to the air box.
Oh, so you could go swimming.
So you can go into water about to wherever the air box is.
Into the ocean I go.
Exactly. That's about it. It's got a nice American flag decal on the hood from the dealer.
How ironic that I was in the Marines and American flag and the Army color.
It's perfect. So I mean, it's got, I think, not even 7,000 miles. The engine, the connecting rod blew out of the engine at 6,000 miles, and then they replaced it under warranty. So the engine has 1,000 miles, the rest of it has 6,000 miles on it.
Okay.
But it's basically brand new.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it. It looks super. So this is one thing that I'm curious about. I'm sure everybody else is. I know you gave away the Miata, but why do you even do the giveaways? Like, what's your
Well, just number one, it's just cool to do them. Like my buddy,
sure.
my buddy Mike, who runs Street Speed 717,
Okay.
like basically built his entire channel off of doing just like cool car tent and car giveaways. So I asked him a bunch about car giveaways, and for every ADCC, like the last ADCC and this one, I wanted to sell some merchandise. So I was like, it'd be cool to sell some Gordon Ryan merchandise, and then if you enter to win, you buy merchandise, you get a chance to win a car, and everybody wants a free car. So.
Here I am. That's awesome.
Walk us through how you explain how. I mean, this probably doesn't happen to a lot of people very often.
Went on his Instagram and he said, buy anything off my website and you get a chance to win this Jeep. And I was like, there's no way. There's no possibility. I went on there, bought a t-shirt, didn't hear nothing. And I got the email and I was like, the picture had words on it. I was like, this has got to be spam. So I just screenshot it, messaged him on Instagram. Like, this is real? How
From
random
one
is that?
t-shirt.
Yeah, one t-shirt. So if you're not following him and paying attention, so are you going to do it every year?
Definitely every ADCC year.
Okay.
Or whenever I just want to buy a cool car and then drive it for a little while and build it and then write it off, I'll do it.
Awesome.
Because like a Jeep is a cool thing. It's like, Jeeps are they're like Lego cars. You can just
Right. Yeah, they're
you
so
can replace all the
customizable.
parts. Yeah.
Yep.
He also has a YouTube channel. He was like, oh yeah, I'll come out and make a video for my YouTube. I'm like, you have a YouTube too? And he's like, yeah. I was like, okay, cool.
I was talking to John about it. He's like, oh, I won the Jeep. I was like, well, how ironic that you guys are the inspiration because my channel is MotoJitsu. So if you're a new motorcycle rider, you're a white belt. So
That's true.
I have a couple of presents for you that I want to give to you, but this is the ultimate present. So I was thinking, what in the world can I give Gordon Ryan that he can't buy himself? And I found the one thing that I thought of. You ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
So don't be scared. It's okay. Right? This is Texas. I'm not pulling out a gun, right? So here it is, laminated with my Scotch tape and everything. So if you ever want to get a motorcycle, you get your gear, you get a bike, get a couple thousand miles of experience on you, I will come here for free and teach you anything you want as many times as you want. I will fly here and be your personal instructor, because I'm the black belt then when it comes to motorcycles. You'll be the white belt. We'll switch roles. We'll play around.
I'm glad that you didn't show John this, because John has always forbid me from getting motorcycles. He's like, when you retire, then you can kill yourself. But until then, you're not allowed to. So,
well, if you want to try to sneak a motorcycle and you want lessons, I will come and teach you.
If I ever have a motorcycle, we will definitely be making a video.
All right, so I gave you the main present. So now I have a couple other things for you.
All right, I'm ready.
So, oh, perfect. Got the desk. We'll use this as a.
Hopefully, it brought me a gi that I'll never use.
So first, signed copies of all my books.
Okay.
If you want to get into motorcycle riding, this is the main program, which has all the belt drills, and I'm sure you'll like this. So
that's pretty cool with the motorcycle. He has a black belt, like he's got like his helmet and his black belt on the picture, which is sick.
So you'll see, like, the program is based on martial arts. White belt, you're a new guy. It goes all the way up.
Oh, that's so cool.
And then each picture, like progress, not perfection. I'm sure believe you'll achieve. But I even get to the point where it's coral belt. So 2 colors, 2 techniques. All the stuff you do on a motorcycle, now you have to do everything with the passenger. Because you might be hot, you might be really good by yourself on a bike, but put someone else on the back, can you do everything? And the skills to perform this is knee down with the passenger one-handed, like drag a knee, like you're on a racetrack.
It's impressive.
And it goes all the way up to red belt, and then me just made all this crap up, red belt, 1st degree, and blah, 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 and blah. So all the signed copies of this, and this is just another like life book, but these are all my books, signed copies, all for you. This, you're gonna love this. I gave you a couple of stickers. If you put this on your vehicle, it adds 10 horsepower. So
that's perfect. I can always use more horsepower.
Couple of those for you. And this is my favorite book. So this book is one of my top 5 favorite books ever. This was given to me as a present by a friend, but it was at the wrong time in my life. I'm like, I just left it aside.
Just a book, yeah.
Once I picked it up and read it, probably read it 5-6 times, highlighted the crap out of it. I probably bought this book for 50 different people and sent it to them. So it's called Breakfast with Buddha. It's hilarious, like laugh out loud funny. It's just really funny about a guy who gets tricked into going across the country to try to teach this monk about American culture, and it's just hilarious. So
okay.
This stuff is all for you, my friend.
Well,
and then I have one more thing. I looked at the weather, and we just got lucky being here, because next week it's going to get really cold.
Dude, it's going up to like 18 degrees like this weekend.
Yes. So because it's going to get so cold, I have an extra large, because you're a big guy, MotoJitsu sweatshirt.
Oh, perfect. I can always use more sweatshirts.
And then just for myself, if you wouldn't mind, sir, I even brought a marker. Can you sign my MotoJitsu hat?
Yes, I can.
That would be
amazing.
You
get to see. For those of you who don't know, there's a lot of people who have signed stuff of mine out there, and every signature is different, and they all look like they're done by a 5-year-old.
As you'll see, my signatures look the same inside all of the books.
It's actually a pretty decent one for me, but not great.
I love to jump on the mat.
Apparently, he's the Gordon Ryan of motorcycle riding. So if you guys need motorcycle lessons, apparently he's the guy. I was thinking about, when he said that, I was thinking about dragging my knee on the floor with one hand with the passenger, and I was like, that's above my pay grade. I grew up riding dirt bikes, so like, but I haven't ridden a dirt bike, and like, I grew up riding dirt bikes, and I was like pretty good as a kid, and then I transitioned into quads.
Okay.
Like, so 4 wheels is like more of my forte.
Yeah.
But I rode dirt bikes for like 10 years when I was a kid.
I don't know if you want me to do it or not, but if you say you're doing another car giveaway, I'll buy 15 t-shirts and get 15 more things.
We're probably gonna another one. I have to pick what I'm gonna build. I was thinking about maybe like a 2-door Bronco, just so I can do like direct comparison between the Jeep and the Bronco.
Especially with your experience taking them off road, that'd be really interesting for people to compare the two. Like, what was better, what was worse, what do they do, how do they copy? I'd highly recommend it. So I'm one of one favor so far.
The guy who won the Jeep wants to do another giveaway. What do you know?
Yeah. So awesome, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Of course.
All jokes aside, guys, thank you all so much for the support. I love all of my fans and haters alike, and without you guys, I wouldn't be here. As you guys know, I want to start doing some crazy stuff with the channel, and if you purchase from any of these brands or any of my merch, you'll be massively helping the channel. Thanks to all my supporters and partners for making this possible.